Hi Andy, this is Unkshu. This will be my first video for today, and I'm gonna show you the territory at the cave's entrance. And I wasn't supposed to film anything right here, but I cannot help showing you. Look, this is a fossil, and these are some dinosaurs. I'm not sure why they installed them here, but this is pretty cool, isn't it? So we entered and we paid for the entrance. So also this is another dinosaur, but it's a fish. Well, this is another one. And they are underlined. This is another fossil. Some tablets about the prehistoric times. I'm sorry for being so hectic, and there's such a interesting path that leads to the ravine and the river, I guess. You cannot really pass here, but this is a huge ravine. You cannot really see how high it is, but this is a real mountain over there. It feels like in Caucasus, I'm telling you 100%. This is so cool, and it's like a real mountain, and there is a grid in order to prevent people falling down. So I was trying to spare some space on my hard drive. So this is nephew yelling and sister. Oh, just look at this. I'm not sure what it is. Nothing. It's just the installation about the fossils of Leningrad Oblast. And this is a sign like from a map. And this is a gazebo. Another gazebo. It's for picnics mostly. This is another very nice territory. So we are just, well, this is the brand sign of the caves. Like you can see the flying bat on this sign. Well, this is a toilet and some other territory with tablets. I'm not sure what it is. Oh, it's for taking pictures. These are the characters from Russian fairy tales, and just some crafts. And this is a male figure, female figure, and that one was male. So, or maybe not. I'm not sure what it is. Okay, this is a big territory, and what's this? Such a избушка. Oh, this is this used to be an old toilet, designed like an избушка. Okay, so this is it. There is nothing interesting in here except these dinosaurs. So these people are from our group, touristic group that is gathering now, and I think that we still have some time. Okay, so the kids are rotating these plexiglass boxes. Well, other people are coming, and honestly I'm feeling very hot because I have put on warm pants because it will be 8 degrees. Some other installations. Okay, don't enter. This is not a fossil, it's it's something in between. It's a fossil and what do you call them? Calmar. But I really like this one and this one. Okay, I'm gonna see what's on that side. Nothing. Well, this thing is called, in previous times it was called Damina, and this is a special cross. It looks like a house roof because it relates to pagan times, and nowadays it's quite popular to make to install it on graves. This is another gazebo. This is pretty cool. I'm not sure what it is. Nothing. I hope you did see my reflection. Okay, but this kind of damina is mostly installed on the places where a chapel used to be or a church, but it was ruined somehow. Okay, I think this is it. I feel the territory. Then I'll be filming what's inside.